So I just came out for a little wander in Manchester today. I'm heading back to Bali soon, so watch out for that one. Back in 3 weeks. But yeah, it's my hometown, so I just came out for a little mooch around. And I'm so surprised the sun came out, and it's just insane. So I thought, why not go for a cheeky little pint, get on the tram, and get myself into town. And while I was here, I found a little stall just opposite Boots on the bottom of Market Street. So I bought something. I'm going to show you it, and then that's not the reason why I'm making the video. I'm just going to show you what's going on in Manchester on one of the first sunny weekends that we've had. So watch the video and find out what I bought. So I have absolutely appalling taste in music, but couldn't refuse. I wasn't looking for me, I was looking for a friend, but I came across this little stall. I bought these, the coasters. They're made out of biodegradable material. Sorry, I've had a pint earlier on. And my favourite band's Ray of Light. I used to love listening to that in the car. A bit of Depeche Mode, my favourite band in the world. A bit more Depeche Mode, those are the only two DMs she had. Duran Duran, my second most favourite band in the world. And then the Queen is Dead. This must be the most iconic song the Smiths ever did, in my opinion. So, pack of coasters in a presentation box like this. You pick the ones you want. They've got loads of different bands. And the lady was so kind, I spotted another one because they sell me singles, packs of 4, and a pack of 5. Blue Monday, New Order. And she was so generous, she threw it in for me. So, this is a little plug for the little stall. Obviously they're online as well. Obviously you can see by the box here. They've got the website going on there. So if you want to check them out, I think these are fantastic for presents. Birthday presents, Christmas presents, stocking fillers, housewarming presents, anything. So yeah, just check them out. Quality looks good. So yeah, it's my little treat now. Let's go and check out why I'm filming today. There we go, there's my shadow. So managed to get a little bit of a bad rep with all the protests that are going on. All the, I wouldn't call it civil disobedience, but it just doesn't get a good rep sometimes. But sun's out, Piccadilly Gardens, which I think they've actually made a mess of, but the place is absolutely buzzing. Loads of families chilling out here. There's little stalls selling all sorts of knickknacks, which obviously, there you go, which I've just bought myself. Piccadilly Gardens is absolutely buzzing. So I'm just going to walk you through, show you what's going on. What a beautiful day it is. Everything's really chilled, really quiet. Families are here, groups of lads are here, groups of girls are here. No trouble. It's just a really peaceful, pleasant afternoon. Now, I didn't come out with the intention of making a video today. I just came out for a couple of drinks to watch the football on the Grand National, which I have done. I did win on the horses, by the way. But this is such a chill vibe. And we're now looking to Manchester. It's either windy, raining, or there's a protest going on. So this is so nice to see. Or you're being ripped off at the Christmas markets. This is just people sat down with a cup of coffee, having a chill on the grass. What can I say? It's just lovely, isn't it? People of all ages, all nationalities. All relaxing. Just having a pleasant afternoon, and tell you what, it's really made my afternoon. So yeah, I'm going to catch the second game. I think Nottingham Forest are playing, so I'm going to go and watch them now. Yeah, I'll end my little video here. Yeah, catch up. I'm back in Bali in 3 weeks. Not 3 weeks, I think 4.5 weeks actually. And I'm going to do some more hotel tours. I'm going to do some more walking around. I'm going to cover some of the bigger hotels I've not covered previously. I'm going to cover more 5-star resorts on the next little vlog. So if you're interested, you want to check out what Bali's got to offer, follow me on my next few vlogs. Okay, happy days, and I will catch you on the next one. What a beautiful afternoon. Welcome to Manchester.